Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the October 2021 Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. And let me remind you what this kit makes. 10 cards, 5 each of 2 designs with beautiful coordinating foiled envelopes. But we're going to be making an alternate project today. But before we get started with that, you know we need to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Gifts Galore Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is available to purchase until November 10th. So if you want to get this kit, please look in the description box below for a link to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is going to make 9 oversized treat boxes, and it does come with coordinating food-safe bags. Don't wait. The kit collections, these are the kits that can only be found online in the online store at stampinup.com/kits. If you want to take a look at those, just hop on over there and you can see everything you need. Then we have the Eden's Garden collection of products. These products will be available to customers November 2nd through January 3rd. And it's only while supplies last for a portion of the products. So these items here, the stamp set and the dies, will be in the upcoming January to June mini catalog. These 3 products, the designer series paper, which is a specialty paper with gold foiling, cotton paper, which is sort of kind of like tissue paper, and the garden gems. These 3 items are while supplies last. So I suggest that you hurry and put your order in on November 2nd so you won't miss out on anything. And if you don't want to wait, you can always join my team and place your order before everyone else gets a chance to. I would love to have you join Honeybee Stamping Hive as a team member. Then we have our October host code. This is the code I would like for you to use if you place an order with me. If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. And I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. So that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's jump into our second alternate card for the week. So what I have here is some basic black cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, a 1/4 inch of some of the scrap, and we're just going to cut that down probably this way. Yeah, cut it down to fit that. This is a piece of the shaded spruce from the kit, one of the card bases that I cut apart. And this piece is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. Then we have some more of the the kit elements. And these 3 pieces are cut at 1.5 by 2 inches each. Then we have a strip of 3.5 by 1/2 inch of basic black, and some cherry cobbler that is 4 3/8 by 2 1/2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started by gluing down our pieces. And I think I'm going to go ahead and start with the inside. Let me get my glue. You guys know I love using the Tombow liquid glue. So we're just going to shake it up to get it flowing. Put a thin line here at the bottom and adhere our strip. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, right? Isn't that how it goes? Get this on here. And we're just going to turn it over and cut off the extra. Get our glue back open and glue this to the inside of the card. So we will have that done. I'm not sure what I want to stamp on the inside. A lot of my cards are blank on the inside until I'm ready to use them, because depending on who gets it, that will change the sentiment. Okay, so that is our inside done. And then this piece is going to go right in the middle here. No, I think I want it. Do I want to decorate this? I don't know. I am using a card sketch. This card sketch is Casing Tuesdays. Again, card sketches. This is number 266. And this is from the 2020-21 catalog, page 70. I'm trying to see if I want to. If I want to decorate this or not. But I don't think so. I think I'm going to just leave it just like it is. Just like it is. And I'm going to try to get this as central as possible. So we have even amount of space on both sides. And I picked that up to try to put it to the edge of the top. Okay. And then we have this piece that'll go across as you just seen me do. Guys, yell at me if I'm not in the frame. Oh no, that went a little too close to the edge there. I don't want that to seep out. And then we're just going to put this right across the middle going this way. So let me see if I can get this one straight. Okay, that's going to be straight enough for me. Then we're going to place these on here. So we're just going to have these going on here like so. Do you know what I want to do? I want to get my Shaded Spruce Stampin' Right marker. And I'm going to color the edges of these because they're white because it was part of the kit. So it's not cardstock. So the color does not go all the way through. And I don't want these white edges to show. I should have done it on this part too, but I forgot. When I was putting this down, I could see it. So we're just going to run the marker, the brush tip across the edges to get rid of the white. Very simple. Okay. So now, again, we're just going to place these here. We're going to try to put it on evenly spaced. So I don't want too much space in the middle. So we'll do it about like that, right? Yeah? No? Maybe so? I think so. Then we're gonna put the middle one down first. So I'll kind of know what I'm doing here. Go up a bit. Just kind of get it centered there, and then we'll put the other two on either side. I think these would have looked good popped up if I would have thought about it. I could have popped them up on some dimensionals, some dimensionalities, but oh, for now, this is gonna just be flat because we didn't think of it. You guys didn't yell at me and tell me to improve my design by popping it up. Let's scoot that in some more. Try to get these two spaces even. Oh, I see it's not very even on the sides here. But guess what? It's still gonna be cute. Okay, so now to our last piece here. This is what we're gonna stamp our sentiment on. So of course you see it's black, so that means embossing. So let me get my anti-static tool. Get that on here. And we are going to be using, let me see, where did I put the stamp set? From the stamp set, do I have anything just plain white so you can see this? I'm not sure I do. Maybe this will work. But this is the stamp set, and we're going to use From Our Home to Yours. And I already have that mounted on. What block is this? An H block. So we're going to get some Versamark. Ink this up. And try to put it in the middle. Let me line this up, try to get it straight. Try to get this straight in the middle, straight as I can and as central as I can. Okay, and we're gonna emboss this in white. I was thinking about doing silver, but I think the white would stand out more. So we're gonna do it in white. Let me get my tweezers to pick this up, because when I heat emboss it, I need something to hold on. Oh, I think I want to hold it on this side. Oh, it's pretty straight. It's a little crooked, but I can deal with it. So let me clean this up. And I see I need to do a little bit of surgery because the letters are so fine. Sometimes the embossing powder, it gets a little thick. So what I'm gonna do is take your pick tool, and on the letter F, just gonna open it up a little bit. Just like that. Because I don't want it to warp the color. So after I emboss this, I'll be right back. Okay, so that is our embossing done. And what I would like to do, I have some napkins here sitting by my desk. Let this cool off a bit. I'm gonna get some of this embossing, anti-static embossing powder. It's not embossing powder, is it? It's just anti-static powder. Okay, we're gonna get that off. And we're gonna place this right there. Ooh, that trash. And this I do want to pop up since we didn't pop up the other ones. If I would have popped up those squares. Ooh, if I would have just popped up the middle one. Oh, that would have been so cute. Why didn't I think of it? If I would have just popped up that middle one, that would have been so cute. And we're just going to put this across all three of those. Try to get it even, move out our trash here. And we have some of the jewels from the kit that we're gonna decorate with. So I think I'll put one on each end of our sentiment label. And then one more. Where do I want to put this last one? How about right here in the middle? That'll work. That's cute, right? Oh, I didn't think it was going to turn out that good. I like that. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.